How to fix? We were unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use error in Valorant. First step, open up Task Manager. Under Process tab, search for Riot Client and Valorant. If it's running means end the task. Close it. Move on with next step. Open up Riot Client. Click it. Click Profile Icon. Click Settings. This page will appear. In this, click Valorant. Scroll down. Click Repair and start repair. Wait for some time. Is actually repairing your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete update, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. After we move on with next step. Successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click. Click Properties. Click Tools. Click Check and scan the drive. It's actually scanning your C drive. Successfully scanned. Click OK. Move on with next step. Right click Riot Client. Click Properties. Click Compatibility. Enable Run the program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Close it. And the next step, delete Riot Client caches. Open up Run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Riot Games. Click Valorant. Delete the cache files. Come back. Open up Riot Client. Delete the cache files. Close it. And the next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot Client and Valorant. Enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it and move on with next step. Search for Run and type the following text: msconfig. Click OK. The system configuration will appear in this. Click Services. Enable hide all Microsoft services. Disable all. Click Apply and OK after restart it. Once restart complete after, click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Reset now. Thank you.